Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 286. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 5, 6. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this top row, we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here and a 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 8, 9. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this column now, we're just missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.